Hi, parents and students of my 7th grade science class. I wanted to upload a video for you all to update you on how everything is going to go over the next 2 weeks as we work on a project. Um, so all of our assignments will, of course, be posted in Plus Portals, but really the project will be due on Teams. Please make sure to look at the rubric so that you know um, what to do for the assignment before you submit it, okay? It is graded, and so the rubric is on the assignment for you to see, and you can look that over so that you know what the expectations are. I will be live on Teams from 2 to 3 every day. If you need any help, just read over the expectations and guidelines for posting on Teams if you have a question. And of course, you can always email me as well. So the UN Global Goals Project has 3 parts, and each part will have its own deadline. So that's all on Teams and Plus Portals. Part 1 will be due on Wednesday, and then part 2 will be due on Friday this week. So it'll take us 2 weeks to complete, and the UN Global Goals are all about sustainable development. So, looking at poverty and water, clean water, access to clean water, ocean life, birds. It's really a cool project that I hope that y'all will enjoy over the next few weeks. Like I said, reach out to me via Teams or email if you need my help with anything. And I hope you have a great week. Bye.